Are you ready to elevate your Toyota Tacoma's style and functionality? In this video, we unveil the ultimate game changer, the best tonneau cover for your truck. Picture this: sleek lines, optimal protection, and unbeatable convenience, all in one stunning package. Whether you're seeking enhanced security for your gear, improved aerodynamics for fuel efficiency, or simply a jaw-dropping aesthetic upgrade, we've got you covered. We'll dive deep into the top contenders, showcasing their features, benefits, and why they stand out in a crowded market. Don't just settle for ordinary. Unlock the full potential of your Tacoma with the perfect tonneau cover tailored to your needs. Strap in for an exhilarating ride to discover your next essential truck accessory. Number 7. Tonneau Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a game changer. Designed specifically for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models with a 5-foot bed, excluding Trail Edition. This cover combines durability, style, and functionality in one sleek package. The hassle-free installation is a standout feature, no drilling required. Simply secure 4 clamps, and you're good to go. Plus, the tailgate integrated locking system ensures your cargo stays safe and secure. The aluminum powder-coated frames and stainless steel clamps provide unmatched durability, while the 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl is waterproof, UV-resistant, and built to last. What's more, this tonneau cover isn't just tough, it's smart. Its aerodynamic design helps improve gas mileage, saving you money on fuel, whether you're hauling gear or cruising on the highway. The Tonneau cover delivers top-notch performance and style. If you want a reliable, easy-to-install, and energy-efficient tonneau cover for your Tacoma, the Tonneau Soft Trifold is the perfect choice. Don't miss out. Upgrade your truck bed today. Number 6. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma owners seeking the best tonneau cover for their vehicles. Crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, it promises durability while enhancing your truck's aesthetic appeal. The U.S. patented design includes aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps, ensuring easy installation and a secure fit. With pre-assembled horizontal crossbars, you can conveniently fold the cover for full bed access as needed. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, although cutting small holes in the bed liner is necessary for those with over-the-bedrail bed liners. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Not only does this cover protect your cargo from the elements, but it also offers a sleek, low-profile look that enhances your Tacoma's overall design. Upgrade your truck with the Tiger Auto T3 and enjoy reliable performance and style. Number 5. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for the 2016 to 2025 Tacoma with a 5-foot short box. This cover ensures a perfect fit, whether you have a deck rail system or not. Crafted from durable aluminum and fiberglass, it stands strong against harsh weather and resists wear and tear. Even hailstorms can't dent this beauty. Installation is a breeze with the easy clamp-on design, allowing you to get back on the road quickly. Plus, with reinforced hinges and robust locking mechanisms, your cargo stays secure, making it tough for thieves to compromise your cover. The sleek, aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency, contributing to a smoother ride without flapping at high speeds. With an extra weather stripping included and a 60-month warranty, this product is sure to impress. Currently rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon. The Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is your ultimate solution for style, security, and efficiency. Number 4. Tonneau FRP Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is designed specifically for the 2024 and 2025 Toyota Tacoma with a 5-foot bed, excluding the Trail Edition. This truck bed cover features an eye-catching hinge design made from durable fiberglass reinforced polymer (FRP) that guarantees scratch resistance and protection against various weather elements like rain, snow, dirt, and harmful UV rays, ensuring your cargo stays safe and dry. With a remarkable weight-bearing capacity of up to 450 pounds, This tonneau cover combines strength and security with embedded clamps and reinforced latches to prevent accidental openings during your drive. Plus, the no-drill installation process makes setup a breeze, and included instructions guide you through each step. Customers are raving about its convenience and effectiveness. With a solid Amazon product rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, upgrade your Tacoma's utility and style with the Yitamotor FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover, the perfect choice for truck enthusiasts. Number 3. Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold Flip-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2024 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Designed specifically for the 5-foot bed, this tonneau cover boasts a sleek, low profile that seamlessly integrates with your truck's aesthetics. Crafted from durable, corrosion-resistant matte black aluminum panels, it offers both style and functionality. Enjoy quick access to your cargo thanks to the tri-fold design, with secure prop rods and nylon straps for versatility in usage. The innovative auto-latching system provides a hassle-free, one-handed operation while ensuring your belongings are safe and secure. Installation is a breeze with the included secure track and rail mounting system, no drilling required. Plus, drive with confidence, knowing you're backed by Rough Country's trusted USA customer support and a 5-year limited replacement warranty. With a strong Amazon rating of 4.7/5, it's widely recognized as the best tonneau cover for Toyota Tacoma. Upgrade your truck today with Rough Country. Number 2. Tonneau Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a game changer for 2016 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma owners with a 5 feet 1 inch bed. Crafted with a robust aluminum frame and powder-coated matte black hinges, it ensures both durability and style. The EnduraShield panels are designed to withstand the elements, featuring dent, fade, and scratch resistance while keeping cool in hot climates, perfect for those sunny days out. Whether you're looking for convenience or security, this cover excels with its user-friendly clamps that allow for effortless folding or locking in place. Need full bed access? No problem. The cover can be removed in seconds with no tools required, making it hassle-free. The Extreme Seal keeps unwanted weather at bay, and the sleek, low-profile design enhances your Tacoma's appearance. With an Amazon rating of 4.7 stars, the Tonneau Hard Shell is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for your Toyota Tacoma, blending functionality with eye-catching aesthetics. Get ready to elevate your truck experience with this premium accessory. Number 1. Flocatu Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover, the ultimate solution for your 2005 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma with a 5-foot truck bed. Rated 4.7 stars on Amazon. This premium cover boasts an aluminum body that ensures safety and durability. Its innovative design features a standing seam slat system that effectively protects against both weather and unauthorized access. The integrated sealing and drainage system keeps your cargo dry and shielded from UV rays, dust, rain, and snow. Easy to operate with a single hand. Simply unlock, and the cover slides effortlessly to the cabin without needing to lower the tailgate. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, saving you time and effort. Plus, it's sleek. Dark matte finish not only enhances your truck's appearance, but also withstands scratches and corrosion. Whether you're transporting goods or simply seeking storage solutions, the Flocatu tonneau cover is the best choice for your Toyota Tacoma, combining functionality, security, and style. Conclusion: that wraps up our review of the best tonneau covers for your Toyota Tacoma. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect fit for your truck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with fellow Tacoma owners. Stay tuned for more truck accessory reviews and tips. Until next time, happy driving.